Welcome back. We have another epic recipe. It's extremely simple. It's great to bring to a family Thanksgiving or Christmas as well as the pie. It's a French Brie and cranberry square. Very simply made. Let's get into it. 1 egg. We're gonna use this as our egg wash over the pastry, but let's go ahead and whip it and put it to the side. This is what we're gonna brush over the pastry. Voila. Next, let's cut our Brie. So we want to cut our Brie a little bit smaller than our 3x3 squares of puff pastry. This is just a great local Brie. Get it anywhere. About 1/4 thick. We got about 8 ounces of Brie cut. We're gonna go ahead and move our pastry squares forward and start placing the cheese on top of those. Now you want a little bit of an overlap. You don't want cheese going over the sides or anything like that. I cut the 1/4 quarter, about that size, about at 2 inches long. And let's go ahead and place them on our squares here. We have our Brie cheese over our puff pastry. And now we're gonna start sprinkling our brown sugar over the top until there's no more brown sugar left. Oh, voila. Now we're gonna go with our pecans and our cranberries. Let's get our cranberries. And if you have to, you can put the cranberries, kind of stuff down the pecans and the cranberries in the cheese if they start spilling everywhere. That cheese is nice and sticky. It'll make everything stick in place. These already look yummy. And what I like to do with the pecans and with the cranberries is when I'm sprinkling over the cheese, I'll kind of like push them into the cheese a little bit so nothing falls over or you're wasting too many ingredients. Everything kind of stuck in there, all the love. So let's go ahead and fold the corners in towards the middle of it, brush them with some egg, and get them in the oven. So here I'm just grabbing the corners of the Brie, like that, folding them in towards the middle. Cute little tarts. Okay, the corners, again, just pinch it with your thumb and bring it in towards the middle. Hold it there. Opposite side. Hold it there. Boom. Hold it there. Boom. Okay. Next, they're all sealed up, all the corners. We're gonna get our egg wash right here that we did in the beginning. Our pastry brush, and just get some of that egg wash on top. And that's gonna really seal it up and get a really nice golden brown look on it. All right, I have a bigger sheet pan here because these mamas are gonna pop up a little bit. So we're gonna put them on this bigger sheet pan. $425-degree oven behind me. Let's get them in. I just checked the Brie and cranberry tarts and they're mouth-watering. You could smell the caramelized cheese in the air. Let's get them out of the oven, plant them down, cut them in half. Oh yeah. Absolutely beautiful. If you get a little cheese running out, what you could do is just pick it all up with a spatula and put it right on top of the tarts. And we're gonna sprinkle them with some mixed herbs. Full of thyme, sage, oregano, mint. Perfect topper for this. Give it a little hit. I can already smell it, just, it smells amazing. Let's go ahead and get them on a plate. All right, we plated 4 on the plate. We topped it with the Irby's mixed herbs. It smells so amazing. My mouth is watering. I got one here. We're gonna cut it in half and just kind of place it on top of there. Looks amazing. All right, we got them on the plate. You're gonna be a definite hit at your family function with these beautiful Brie cranberry tarts. Let's try it with our heritage.